Hello and good afternoon. We're here with everything that you need to know right before your stock market rings the bell. Meta Platforms Inc. gave a forecast for revenue in the fourth quarter below analyst estimates, showing the social media platform continues to struggle with a weak advertising market amid an economical slowdown. The social media giant said it sees $30 billion to $32.5 billion in revenue and has cut costs by slowing hiring and narrowing priorities. To stay relevant, Meta has changed Facebook and Instagram experiences to show more algorithmically chosen content similar to rival TikTok. The company is also betting heavily on the metaverse, but the effort is losing Meta billions. The company now expects total expenses for this year to be $85 billion to $87 billion, while Meta's net income fell 52% from the year-ago quarter to $4.4 billion. Shares tumbled more than 12% in extended trading hours. Ford Motor narrowed its profit forecast for the year, saying 2022 earnings will come in at a low range for earlier estimates, as the automaker deals with part shortage and higher payments to suppliers. The company, which announced third quarter results on Wednesday, expects to report $11.5 billion in adjusted earnings for 2022. It had previously said profit could be as high as $12.5 billion. Ford reported revenue for the third quarter of $39.4 billion, up 10%, and announced plans to buy back up to 35 million of its own shares. It's also said that full-year free cash flow will be $9.5 billion to $10 billion. Elsewhere, Ford said it is taking a $2.7 billion charge to account for the shutdown of Argo AI, an autonomous driving venture with Volkswagen AG. In the third quarter, adjusted earnings fell to $1.8 billion. Shares of Boeing Co. tumbled almost 9% after the plane maker pared its annual forecast for deliveries of its 737 narrow-body jets and disclosed that it may discontinue the smallest and largest MAX versions of the workhorse aircraft. In a securities filing, Boeing said it could choose to cancel the 737 MAX 7 and 10 variants if a looming deadline for government safety approval is not extended. Moreover, the plane maker now expects to hand over 375 of the jetliners this year and the 737 monthly production rate to stay in the low 30s through much of the next year. Boeing reported $2.8 billion in losses on a handful of defense programs and an adjusted loss of $6.18 a share in the third quarter. While sales of $16 billion fell short of analyst estimates, its free cash flow of $2.9 billion was well above expectations. This is it. That's all we have for you today. Soon Wall Street bells will ring and a new trading day will start. We are MEXEM TV and we will be here on the next trading day. Goodbye.